Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to disable Windows 11 features that can slow down your games so you can improve performance and reduce lag. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Gaming. Click Xbox Game Bar. Turn off the toggle if you do not use it. Go back and click Captures. Turn off Record What Happened if it is enabled. Background recording can use CPU and disk resources. Now click System. Click Display. Scroll down and click Graphics. Click Change Default Graphics Settings. Turn off hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling only if it causes issues on your system. Turn off optimizations for windowed games if you experience stuttering. Go back to System and click Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance and click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Device Security. Click Core Isolation Details. Turn off memory integrity if it impacts gaming performance. Restart your computer after changing this setting. This can improve performance but slightly reduces security, so decide carefully. Finally, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click Startup Apps. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Fewer background apps means more resources for your game. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.